Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here with another update on the Supra. Back at AP Tuning. Supra's currently sitting like this. Engine, transmission, everything's out of it. And let's go take a look, see what we have for the build so far. Okay, so let's take a look at what we're going to be using for the build. Essentially, the motor that was in the car, there was nothing good on it except for the bare block. The head had the spun cam journals, and the rod bearings and main bearings were spun. So I actually picked up a spare full swap out of another 2020 Supra. We have it torn down, getting ready to go to the machine shop. This one's perfectly good shape, absolutely nothing wrong with it. Got really lucky and picked it up from a guy that's 2JZ swapping his car. Let's go take a look at what parts we have. Okay, so we have a pure drivetrain solution, stage 2 transmission with their upgraded converter. In this box we have the Precision 6470. It's kind of torn apart right now. The housings are getting coated. Marshall, thank you for the hookup. Got the Visconti reflex with ID 1700cc injectors. ARP 625s. Logan, appreciate you, man. A CE head gasket. What else we got? We have some bearings. Norris at P-tuned with the crank pulley bolts and the flywheel bolts. Everything new from Toyota as far as gaskets go. Some CP pistons. These were actually sent out to Detective Coating, and I had the top Cerakoted and the side Cerakoted, so hopefully this works out. Brand new oil pump, our oil filter housing, and then I'm a big fan of AMSOIL, so AMSOIL braking oil. I'll keep you guys updated on the build.